Bonjour. We are back with our lesson 7, Les Légumes. Now we are continuing with the chapter further. We did this two pages of the lesson, that is the vegetables and the question qu'est-ce que c'est. Ce sont and c'est. Singular and plural both we have to learn. Now the important question, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? On page number 66 of your textbook, Enchanté book number 0. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a means what is there. What is there in that, or what is there, or you can say what is there in something. To ask that question we use qu'est-ce qu'il y a. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le panier? Ask the picture of here. The picture of boy is given and he is asking the question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans le panier? The girl answers, il y a des légumes dans le panier. What is there in the basket? There are some vegetables in the basket. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a will have always answer beginning with il, space y, space a. Il y a. Okay? Here some examples are given. Il y a un concombre. There is a cucumber. Il y a une pomme de terre. There is a potato. ETA means end. Il y a des carottes dans le panier. There are some carrots in the basket. Now, red apple and green apple are given and this is explained in another box. Il y a des pommes rouges. There are some apples which are red in color. If I literally translate, it becomes il y a some red, that is il y a des pommes rouges. There are some red apples. Il y a une pomme verte. Il y a une pomme verte means there is a green apple. As pomme is feminine, so you and une, pomme or la pomme is written, and the colors are also given in feminine form. If it is plural, the color has S at the end. And if it is singular, it has no S at the end. Ce sont des pommes. These are some apples. Ce sont les pommes rouges. These are some. Ce sont les pommes rouges. There are some red apples. C'est la pomme verte. This is the green apple. Okay. Ce sont des pommes. These are some apples. Ce sont les pommes rouges. These are the red apples. C'est la pomme verte. This is the green apple. Now, in dotted box, it is also explained. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? What is there? Il y a. There is. There are. You have the answer in form of il y a. Now we have vocabulary. I am reading it. Okay. On page 67. Français, anglais. Dans le panier, in the basket. Les épinards, masculine, spinach. Les haricots, beans. Les légumes, vegetables. Les petits pois, masculine, peas. Un concombre, cucumber. Un chou-fleur, cauliflower. Un oignon, onion. Un poivron vert, green capsicum. Une aubergine, brinjal or eggplant. Une carotte, carrot. Une pomme de terre, potato. Une tomate, tomato. Now first few ones are given in les, les, that is plural, which always comes in group or a bunch of vegetables like les épinards, spinach. When you go to the market, you take the bunch of spinach, not only a single leaf of spinach. Then second group is divided in masculine ones. Un concombre, un chou-fleur, un oignon, un poivre vert. And the last group is in feminine. Une aubergine, une carotte, une pomme de terre, une tomate. So this is the vocabulary. Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? The picture of vegetables are given. Now we are solving the exercise. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Now first picture is of potato and it is singular. So we have to write c'est une pomme de terre. Then qu'est-ce que c'est is what is this or what are these? 2 cucumbers are given means plural. Ce sont des concombres and concombre will end with S. 2 tomatoes. Ce sont des tomates. Tomate will have S at the end. Then an onion is there. C'est un oignon. C'est un oignon and oignon will not have S because it is singular. This is and there are is the translation of it. 2 carrots are given. Ce sont des carottes and a bunch of spinach. Ce sont des épinards because always it is in plural. The second question of your textbook. It is trouver les mots. Find the word. The words are jumbled up. You have to find it out. And you can clearly make out that it is vegetables. First one, C-O-T-R-A-T-E. Carrot has 2 T's. C-A-R-O-T-T-E. The correct spelling will be carrot. Then H-U-C-O-L-U-F-E-R. We know that in chou-fleur dash comes. Chou-fleur is the word. C-H-O-U-F-L-E-U-R. Chou-fleur means cauliflower. A-I-O-H-R-C-T-S. Now if we arrange it becomes haricot. H-A-R-I-C-O-T-S, which means beans. Then O-C-M-C-B-N-O-E-R. 2 C and 2 O comes in concombre. C-O-N-C-O-M-B-R-E. C-O-N-C-O-M-B-R-E. Now it is I-G-O-O-N-N. 2 O and 2 N comes in oignon. O-I-G-N-O-N. O-I-G-N-O-N. Oignon. O-E-T-T-A-M. Now 2 T comes in tomate. T-O-M-A-T-E. Now the word is réalisez les colonnes. Match the column. The vegetables are given and its names are given. Un poivre vert. It is A is matching with number 4. Une pomme de terre matching with number 5. Un chou-fleur matching with number 1. Un concombre matching with 2. And une carotte matching with 3. So A is 4, B is 5, C is 1, D is 2, E is 3. Okay, you have to match it with scale and pencil. Now we have to fill in the blank with say or ce, sont, des. If the if the vegetable is singular, it will be say. Plural, ce, sont, des. First picture, dash des tomates means tomatoes are already there and it's in plural. So, ce sont. Second one, un oignon. A single onion is given. C''E''S''T. C. Then, des épinards. Ce sont. And un chou-fleur. C. We have again fill in the blanks with un union des. Voila, dash wanyon. Wanyon is in plural, ending in s means more. So it would be they. Wala de wanyon. Then C apostrophe est. Say dash tomat. Tomat is feminine. Set yun tomat une. If it is C apostrophe est, by default it would be a or yun. And it is so, then by default it would be they, means plural. Voilà dash poivron rouge et dash poivron vert. Now first one has poivron rouge, which is not ending in s. So and in second part poivron vert, that is capsicum green, and it is ending in s means plural. First blank will be and second will be they. Voilà un poivron rouge et des poivrons verts. Then D. Ce sont dash concombre. D-E-S-D. And E is voilà dash haricot vert. Dash haricot vert. Both are in plural. French beans given here in green color are in plural. So D-E-S-D. Voilà des haricots verts. So this was the chapter, and the last exercise is écouter et écrivez, which means listening exercise, which we are not doing. Okay. So this is the lesson 7, textbook exercise, vocabulary, and we have the exercise followed after the vocabulary, that is qu'est-ce que c'est, trouver les mots, réaliser les colons, then c'est ou ce sont, remplissez les blancs, that is fill in the blanks with c'est or ce sont. And then another question number 5 was fill in the blanks with un, une, and they, which we did. Last one, 6th exercise is of listening exercise, and 7th exercise is a role play. Okay, it's a role play which we have to do in class. Okay, so writing part is till exercise number 5. I hope you must have understood it. The workbook exercise we will continue in the next lecture. Till then, au revoir.